Do you value your health? If so, you need to look after the 100 trillion bacteria living in your gut. Often described as a second brain, your gut accounts for an estimated 80% of your immune system. If you suffer from allergies, gas, nausea, fatigue, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, headaches, or sugar and carbohydrate cravings, you may need to add some Live active healthy bacteria to your diet. To remain healthy, the balance between good probiotic and bad pathogenic bacteria in your gut should be 85% to 15%. Most people have it in the wrong way round. Good bacteria is killed off by stress, antibiotics, yeast overgrowth, antibacterial products, processed, pasteurized, and sterilized foods, so unless you replace them, you cannot extract the nutrients from your food, no matter how good it is. This results in decreased energy levels and a weakened immune system. Look after your health with Live Active Probiotics from probioticsforhealth.com.